Hello everyone and welcome back. Hey crypto fans, today we're comparing two giants, Coinbase Wallet and Crypto.com. Want to see which one you should use? Let's break it down. When it comes to ease of use, Coinbase Wallet is super simple and great for beginners, while Crypto.com is also user friendly but has more features. And when it comes to supported coins, Coinbase Wallet has about 5,000 plus ERC20, Solana and the rest of them, while Crypto.com has about 250 plus but supports more DeFi and NFTs. So if you see that, you can see that Crypto.com is the winner for variety. Let's look at the next step. When it comes to staking rewards, Coinbase Wallet has basic staking reward and lower APY, while Crypto.com has high yield staking and crypto earn. When it comes to the fees, Coinbase Wallet has network gas fees only, while Crypto.com has spread plus trading fees. When it comes to security, Coinbase Wallet has non-custodial, that means you own keys, while Crypto.com has custodial unless using DeFi wallet. And when it comes to extra perks, Coinbase Wallet connects to Coinbase Exchange, but Crypto.com connects to Visa card, cashback, and NFT marketplace. So in the end, or in summary, we can simply say that if you want to ask who wins this competition, we'll say if you want a simple, secure wallet with low fees, Coinbase is your pick. But if you love earning rewards, spending crypto with a Visa card, and exploring NFTs, then Crypto.com takes the crown. Don't forget that Coinbase Wallet is best for beginners, full control over keys, and has lower fees, while Crypto.com has amazing staking rewards, crypto Visa card plus cashback, and more DeFi and NFT options. So which one do you prefer? Drop a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto showdowns. See you next time.